Alright guys, Bailey Custom Fusion. Oh, we actually have a timer now. 56 minutes.
I know we had to.
Huh.
Keep them from the grill. Keep them from the grill. It's hot.
Alright. Well, here we got me over here, and we got Mom, Kira. Oh yeah, we get some more screen time.
Hello.
Hey. And we got Adriana.
There you go.
Gonna say hi.
Hello.
Alright, we got Kira over there.
Here.
We got my two little cousins.
I don't want to touch it. No.
And here we are. We got our fireworks. It's about to be. Oh, she already lined one up. Smoke bombs. Yes, we got our fireworks. 4th of July special.
I mean, black.
Well, okay, there it goes. That one.
Look, bro.
He's not even looking. Oh. Oh.
She don't like fireworks like that. She looks scared.
Terrible.
Watch that grill.
Alright.
The pack needs to be for 2 minutes here.
Yep. Alright, hold on. Put it in this chair?
Yeah. Just so he can get hot.
Alright. I got back to the camera. Oh, I should have paused it. I had the ability to pause the video. Oh. Terrible. They're already mad. They're already mad.
So loud.
Alright.
This guy's funny.
Alright. Oh, man. Alright, we got the next one out. Oh, God. Here we go again. Here we go again. And there we go.
Oh! Last 3.
Alright, alright. Oh. Oh. See, they're already, they're seriously already mad. They're already about to come after us with them booms. The boom, chicka boom.
Hold on, stay right there.
Huh? Ooh. Alright, here we go. We got the camera angle set. Recording. Okay.
Get the fuck out of here.
Oh. What did you like for?
That was only 2.
I did not. I thought that was 4 for a second there. Oh, okay. Last one of those. Okay. There we go. There's another one. Fluke?
Water, babe. You need to stop taking this.
Alright, there we go. There we go. Okay, there we go.
Pour this on there. You might got a whole row. You can't even see.
Yep, they're already shooting back. I'm like, rip my dragonfly. Yeah, that was a fluke. We had a fluke dragonfly before that.
I ain't gonna put water in there so we can use that. Okay.
Alright, so who's next? Ooh, we got those? Oh, I remember these from last year. Oh, that's the what?
Grab him, babe, so he can see.
Oh yeah, you guys might remember these from last year, and also you might remember that box. I could got over there. Is that one the house?
No, this is a 96 shots color.
Oh, okay, great. I'm over here just being like, okay, we got it. Stand it back, and oh. Hey! Hey! Oh God! Now it's out the. What? How do we even catch this? Oh! Fireworks! Oh gosh! Hey! Hey! Oh! One of those things just touched me. Oh gosh! Hey! Oh, is that it? Oh! Okay.
You don't give a fuck about nothing but that hot dog. You got puppy, baby?
Oh, they're already fighting back.
You okay?
Okay, is that it? Okay, that's actually it. Okay. They're already fighting back. We're fighting back. Alright, what we got next?
I want to light some. You want to light some? I just don't know which one.
Huh. Okay, let's look at. Ooh. Wow. Alright, here we go. We already got 5 minutes. Here we go.
10 minutes, you get paid.
Oh, I get 10 minutes to get paid?
You gotta have a video, but at least be 10 minutes.
It's gonna be over.
Too long.
Yeah, because it's got 56 and 42 seconds on here for the whole thing, for the whole fireworks show. So yeah, once it gets to that time limit, I can't record anymore because it's done. Oh gosh. Okay, here we go. See, smaller the camera. Is that fluke? Oh, okay, never mind. That's not a fluke. That's not a fluke. Hey. Oh, what? How am I even supposed to? That went in all directions.
Where that bag at?
What's the bag?
Where the bag at?
Ah. Alright, here we go. Next one.
Look. My. Look.
Is that fluke? Okay, never mind. Hey. Y'all got that? Banana. We're just trying to make them impressed right now, but he's like, nope.
What she gonna do?
Alright. Oh gosh.
Just watch this.
Okay, we got another one. I know where to aim this camera now.
Look at this.
Watch.
Look at this. Look.
And there we go. Oh. It's gonna suck for headphone users for sure.
What's up, bud?
Barely anything. They're already fighting back. We need to get them.
They got 10. Alright, bro, we see y'all at 10.
Yeah.
We made you enough 5, brother.
Exactly. This is what happens every year. We have to defeat the other neighbors, and they're over there just doing their thing. We have to do. See. It's gonna suck for headphone users.
You see my number coming back on.
Ooh. Yay. We're sending flares to send them a warning about what's gonna happen. Because it's about to go down. 2020, 4th of July, about to go down.
What's one next?
This is our rainfall.
Oh no, I want to light one.
It's the time to send in the aerial. Alright, looks like Mom's gonna light them up, and Kita's holding my cousin. The other two are over there. Alright, let's see what else we finna get up in here.
Well,
Cause, oh yeah, we gotta tell them about our teams, Mom. So, what's your team?
Dynamite.
And my team is called Team Attack Helicopter. You'll see why eventually when we do some. Okay. Yep.
Okay.
Yep. And this is one of my team.
Which one should we? Y'all ready? Y'all kill y'all, bro. Yeah, you got a call. Okay.
Yeah. See, Team Dynamite and Team Attack Helicopter, we about to go down. Yeah, I have all these space things.
Light up one of them that goes up in the air that you guys is gonna shoot off 5. But you want to wait till you're a little more darker.
Alright. I'm picking another one. Oh,
They got these babies, say 2 colors.
2-color spaceships. Yep, those things. I remember those from last year. You remember? I had like two of those, I think.
How am I gonna stand this up and light it?
Sit it on the side. It's gonna fly up.
Alright. All ready for first blast off. We're about to go in. First blast off, done by Mom. Oh, yeah. Alright, there she is. Hey! We're ready. It's about to go down. First ignition.
You finna light up?
Y'all can light them.
Oh, man. Alright, here we go.
Don't like fireworks. Definitely don't. Not this way, babe. Sit it sideways on the side. Not towards us.
She was
towards
gonna
the
fuck
other.
us up.
Yeah. Sit it that way, but the other way, not towards us, 'cause we're gonna fly. Yeah, like that.
It's not staying on the side. That's what I'm talking
Yeah, leave it like that and light it.
about. Ain't it gonna go straight that way?
It's gonna fly up. It's gonna go towards the garage if you do it that way too.
Alright, there we go. First ignition. Oh.
It's on this. That's what I'm saying. How's it gonna take off speed if it's laying on the wing?
Well, it ain't gonna fly. I don't know, babe. Do what you want to do.
Space. Be doing that one.
It's crackling.
We don't have nothing sitting in there.
Got our fireflies watching too.
See that, baby? You seen it too?
We're going to intermission. Gonna pause it. Here's another one. Okay, here we go. We got Sparkly Bastille. Hey. Oh gosh. Hey. Oh. This is war. This is war. There is no peace. It's war now.
He was trying to blow it out at first.
Oh my god.
These you should have got up to. I never liked these, ever. And my kids don't either.
There is no peace.
Did that come off now?
Oh yeah, intermittent. About to get sent the flight. Get away, mosquito. Get away. Okay, there goes Mom. She ran. Oh! Oh, it landed over there. It landed over there. Oh. Oh my gosh. There was never peace. There was never peace. They're all after us.
That one, babe. She got in there.
Oh my gosh. Oh man, this is gonna suck for headphone users to the next level. Nobody listen to this video in headphones, please. All right, here we go. Next one. Hey. Oh gosh. Oh. Rip headphone users.
Oh,
Hey, we got
you
him.
like that one?
I gotta pause it. Here we go. Next one. Yep, run. Oh. What? Oh gosh. Oh god. This is getting bad. All right, back to pause. All right, here we go. Next one. Camera, get back into focus. Camera. Oh god, something. Okay, never mind. Oh my gosh, it's so dark. Yo, what is with this light? It's not even that dark. It's already looking like a... Rest headphone users. Rest headphone users. Headphone users gonna die. Oh. See, they're still going. Oh, the screen's blue. Okay. It's not really that blue, but okay. Okay. Here we go. Ah, Firefly, get out the way. Oh. Oh.
You gotta go look.
You had me thinking. You had me thinking for 1 second that this thing was that. Oh. Oh.
Wait. Too many fires.
Shit, felt dirty at 36.
All right, back to the mission. All right, here we go. Next one.
Baby, look at the fireworks. It's okay, mommy.
Oh, it's a flare. Is it a flare?
Color.
Really?
Oh my gosh. That is beautiful. That is my gender reveal. It's a boy.
Wow.
Boy.
Wow. Okay. Look at the smoke. I'm gonna have to pause this, but look at the smoke. All right, pausing time now. Okay, next one. Okay, here we go. Ladybug.
Come on, baby.
Okay. Hey. Oh gosh. See, it's war out here. Like, nobody will calm down. They're already mad. They're mad. Alright. Intermission. Alright, we got the next one. Alright, it's about to blow. Well, I wasn't wrong. Ugh. Oh. Oh. Finale. Finale. Hey. Oh gosh, those are actually hitting me now.
Get it started in.
That
Here we
bitch
go.
was-
Oh.
That was a combo.
We definitely got
Alright, intermission. Alright, we got the next one.
Y'all are so handsome and cute.
Oh man, the kids.
Mommy's not gonna hold you.
Okay,
Come on, baby.
okay. We go. Oh! Oh!
Who came to play games?
Nobody. Intermission. Team Attack Helicopter's about to shine. Okay, we're gonna run. Gonna go. So it didn't fly?
failed.
Oh. It fell.
Ooh.
Y'all.
Yo, I whoop. Intermission. Next one.
I think. I don't know what the fuck. I'm supposed to read that. Bro, what the fuck? What are you doing?
And nothing happened. It's just
You pointing it towards the oh, shit.
Oh.
Wow. I told you had to shake it. You got scared. Shake it.
That's done.
Shake because you threw it on the ground and all the fizzle left.
Alright. Intermission. Alright, here we go. Next one.
Come on.
It flew.
yeah.
Alright, intermission. Okay, next one. Hey, flew. Okay, here we go. Attack helicopter, back in the mission. It crashed.
Those be putting you up with so much hope, like they really finished.
Hey guys, look at the moon. It's all the way over there. Also, we're getting our next one. And the screen is still blue. Sucks.
Hey, that bomber truck said though, that's heavy hitter.
Really? Really? Hey.
I'm not gonna burn you guys. Jakai.
I am...
It fell over.
Alright, intermission. Next one. Yo.
It's you, babe.
There it goes. Hey. Oh. Oh. Oh, heck no.
That nigga crazy. We gotta watch him when he get older. He was excited. She was scared.
All right, next one. Next one. I think this is another
Come
one.
on, baby.
I think this is another one.
Go sit up there with your brother.
Yeah.
Go sit up there with
All right,
your
we're just
brother.
gonna go up here. Yeah, we're just gonna go up here
Demaya.
because it's like reboot. Because it just boom and then it flares, and then it gets all the way over here. We ain't playing games. All right, we got the next one. The next one. Okay, get out there. Get out of there. Get out of there. Get out of there. Get out of there. Woo!
Yeah.
Hey!
Dang, baby, you.
Okay, we got another one. Maybe I can get a shot. Hey! Perfect shot. All right, here we go. Another one. Rip the headphone users, as I always say. All right, back to pausing. Another one. Here we go. Where's we get? Hey. Now don't come shooting at us, please. Don't tell me. Oh, God. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. It's about to come at us. Let me get my fingers out the way. Or not. Oh, yeah. We got these. Oh, yeah. Here we go. It's time. Epicness. Camera, can you please focus? Thank you. Yeah. Wow, it went for you. It went for you, Gita. That's a traitor move. You're supposed to be on our side, not trying to attack us. And there goes the whistle. We have declared war in all areas. Okay, let me try to get like a higher angle so you guys can actually see what's about to happen. Is that a dud? Oh, a dud or something? It went after you! Wow. Traitor! Traitor! Alright, we got another one. Hopefully this one won't be a traitor. Right? Oh, I don't think it...
Baby.
I don't think it...
Baby, sit right there. You got to get done with these fireworks. We'll get ready to head back to the north side.
Well, that was a... Okay, we're gonna angle through here. Oh, wow. didn't even fly. I think these things are broken. Alright, we got the next one up in here.
Run, baby, run.
Run!
2 seconds.
Yo, it went this way and then it went that way. Wow. Alright, cool.
Come on, get in the wall. Cool. Let's go.
Play on my ass.
Run! It's about to. Wow, I saw you. We got. Ooh! Yes! Oh, it landed right there. It landed right there. Y'all scared?
Get bro off of there, because if you get bit, he getting bit too. We'll go in a minute. We got a few more.
Alright. Yo! Personal space. Okay, here we goes. Team Attack Helicopter! Oh god, another one. Team Attack Helicopter! Oh. Yeah, I went away. Yeah, I went away. It was like green.
Auntie now, y'all don't hear her? She know how to say auntie now.
You
Say-
say 18! That's for you, girl.
Say auntie.
Oh, niece.
Good job.
Hey! There's another one. There goes another one.
Yeah. I'm scared. I ain't gonna burn your car up, Joe. I swear to God. Y'all know dub, player.
Haha.
Mine.
Alright, Team Attack Helicopters Dragonfly.
Mine.
Here we go.
I'm in my ass cheeks.
What? What, bro? Shit.
Okay.
That wasn't a dud.
Yeah, so we got to see what it does. Now we can know what we gotta do next year. Oh man. Alright. Yo. This is about to be huge.
Right.
Yep. We're running. Yep, we're running.
Ooh, shit.
Hey! Yeah. Personal.
Somebody be careful. Here.
Alright.
That's it.
Final drive.
Stop, Isis, if I whoop your tail.
Wow. I still haven't paused it because the kid is over there with it.
No, she over here trying to headbutt her brother.
Hey.
Stop fighting.
Alright. Run. Hey! We sent in the message.
Y'all do your finale. We gonna finale our ears in the motherfucking house.
Ha ha. One more finale.
They itching.
Yeah, they got us this time.
Bear got bugs all in his personal space.
Yeah, they need to know some personal space.
Come on.
Alright, run. Alright, one last finale.
No, we got the big one.
Oh, we don't?
No, we got the big one though. Oh, we not going in without like that.
Come on.
Alright. Hey! This is about to be our last one, the last finale. That's what we call it, the last finale, right guys? Alright, hey, let's get this joint in. This is actually a good 4th of July video, just like the last one. Hey! Let's say hi to the viewers, even though they can't see you. Because the camera's so dark, but say hi anyways. Alright. Alright. Bro, can I get some personal space? Like, these bugs will not leave me a personal space alone.
Here we go.
There we go. Finale. Oh! Oh!
Only one.
That was a biggie.
That was intriguing.
That was the finale. We showed them. That was louder than any of the ones that we won. We won. We won. We sure did win. All right. So is that it?
Yeah.
All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed this 4th of July special. And have a good 4th of July. All right. You guys want to say bye?
Yes.
Yeah.
Happy Blow Stuff Up Day.
All right. Let's go. Bye, guys.